Portugal is a major player in the cork industry in the world. What defines your company today?
Well, this company, again, I think it's a very nice story. CORKBRICK Europe. It's a very nice story and an example, because it was something that I started just in a discussion with my oldest daughter. She was starting architecture at the day. And we were discussing in the airport, and she was saying, there is nothing to invent in the world. And with some jokes I said, well, you know, we have a problem in my house. I have 4 kids, and sometimes I had other of their friends staying at home, and sometimes I had 10 kids sleeping in the floor in the 3rd floor of my house. And so the challenge was always, how can I receive the kids and offer them comfortable conditions, and when they go away, everything comes back to normal. But you know, I'm not good with do-it-yourself. But when I was a kid, I was very good with Lego. And the good thing about Lego is that as long as you have imagination, you can create whatever you like. So I launched as a challenge to my daughter, how can we create something like Lego? And the only thing that I said, well, probably you need to use cork. Why? Because cork is a product of nature with characteristics that you cannot copy. And in our case, perfect characteristics, because we wanted something light, sound and temperature insulator, and easy for people to create. And well, making the story short, after 2 years and many drawings, we end up with the 7 pieces that we have today. So essentially, CORKBRICK is like Lego, but instead of having only fun, you have fun, but you create economic value, because you can create divisions in your house, you can create beds, you can create furniture, you can create whatever your imagination designates. So with only 7 pieces, each piece is 20 centimeters, less than 1 kilo, everyone can mount and dismount. You don't need tools, you don't need screws, you don't need glues, nothing, and you can build whatever you like in minutes. And if you don't use it anymore, you can transform it in something else.